Today I'll be showing y'all ways on how I style my Jordan 11 Gratitudes in a more affordable way, because as we both know, this sneaker was not cheap. Now most of my outfits are comfortable outfits that I can just wear and go out. I'm not really more of a formal wear type of person. I'm more of a down to earth, you know what I'm saying, just put something together, mostly hoodies and sneakers. But before we go any further, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment down below how you wear your sneakers, and let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Those are some of the quick throw-on outfits I would put on for the winter time when it's cold. Like I said, man, I mostly wear hoodies and joggers, but sometimes I spice it up, wear like a little, you know what I'm saying, a little Columbia with some jeans, and it'll still look nice and give like a different look. But make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get up to 500 subscribers, man. Thank y'all. I'm out.
I got crip bullets, blue tips, yeah, that's special ed. Bitch think she so smart, but she dumb, she give me special ed. Switches on my glizzies, I get caught, I'm going special ed.